Hello friends, this video is about how to find someone on Instagram without knowing their name, so let's get into it. The first thing you should do is just open the Instagram app on your phone. Then go over the search option from the bottom bar of the screen. Now write places in the search bar. Here you have many options, like For You, Accounts, Audios, Pages, Places, etc. These are different places here. From here, you can find pictures of many people. You just have to find them according to the timeline of the post. Here, you can see different posts from different people. You just open that particular post, and then you will be able to send a request to that account. This was the quickest way to find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. That's all for now. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.